Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And yes, from time to time, we will talk about products that are not necessarily Windows. After all, it is the Windows and technology and computers. So it's like, different things too. So today it has to do and caters to Apple users because Apple has released the second big important update of the year for a 0-day flaw. It is exploited in the wild. It is targeting very specific people and organizations, but still, Apple says take the time to patch this. It's very important. It's already exploited in the wild. So what is it? It has to do with the fact that when you plug USB devices on your iPhones, iPads, there's a feature on the iPhones in iOS that actually will at some point restart the phone so that the USB device that is connected stops having a data connection to the device to keep it secure. So that is what is impacted in this attack. The attack is that a malicious code can easily infect and go into your phone or your iPad. And what it does is that now it prevents the lockdown of your device if it has some USB device connected to it that could do data transfers. And with that, well, anything can happen after that. So it's a very sophisticated type of attack. It's very, very unique, but it's done in a way that it probably targets either certain companies or maybe some government organizations. Who is affected? And by the way, Apple says do update your devices, even if it's it's the type of attack that's not really targeted to the average user. It's still important to do so. So iPhone XS and later, iPad Pro 13-inch, iPad Pro 12.9-inch, third generation and later, iPad Pro 11-inch, first generation and later, iPad Air third generation and later, iPad 7th generation and later, and iPad Mini 5th generation and later. It's important to update your Apple device. Make sure you stay safe so that these guys don't go out and get you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.